Hello children, welcome to everybody. This is Jayanta Sir of St. Vincent Convent Senior Secondary School, Baleshwar. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 7. The topic's name is integers, that is subpart is division of integers. That means exercise 1B we are going to start. Children, let's start now. Division of integers. Division is an inverse process of multiplication. It means, for example, to divide 36 by 9 means to find an integer which on multiplying with 9 gives 36. Such an integer is 4. So this can be expressed here that, see the example, 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. Implies that whatever quotient you got 4 into 9 equal to also 36. Look at here, observe that 36. This is the inverse process of multiplication. Similarly, another example, 75 divided by 15 equal to 5. That means 15 into 5 equal to 75. 75. So this is the inverse process of multiplication. That means division is an inverse process of multiplication. So before going to do the division of integers, this equal to minus, plus divided by minus equal to minus, and minus divided by plus equal to minus. This one should remember, it is like also like a multiplication. Next, come here that remember some things here. Division of an integer by an integer of same sign is always positive. Same sign, plus, minus, always it will be giving that positive. Example here it is taken that minus 24 divided by minus 6, that is 6 1 the 6, 6 4 the 24 equal to 4, which is a positive. Another example it is taken 32 divided by 20, it is divided by 4, 4 5 the 20, 4 8 the 32, both were plus sign, so 8 by 5 which is positive integer. Next one, division of an integer by an integer of opposite sign is always negative. Opposite sign means one will be plus, other one it will be minus. It will be giving that negative, and one it will be negative, other one it will be positive, it will be given that negative. Example here taken, minus 24 divided by 6, it is minus divided by plus equal to minus. So 6 4 the 24 minus 4, which is negative. Now come to the properties of divisions of integers. If m and n are two integers, then m divided by n is not necessarily an integer. Example, 18 divided by 5 equal to 18 by 5. It is not an integer. Another example, minus 14 by 4 equal to minus 14 by 4. Reducing that one, we are getting that answer minus 7 by 2. It is also not an integer. That means these two are not an integer. Means what are they? They are the real numbers. Rational numbers. They are the rational numbers. That one I will discuss later only. Next, come to that. If m is a non-zero integer, then m divided by m equal to 1. Example it is taken, 12 divided by 12 equal to 1. Next one, for every non-zero integer m, that is m divided by 1 equal to m. Example it is taken 8 by 1 equal to 8 only. For every non-zero integer m, 0 divided by m equal to 0. Example here, 0 by 6 equal to 0. For every integer m, m divided by 0. Here be careful. See here children. M divided by 0. Look at here. Is not meaningful. That means m divided by 0 is not possible. Cannot be divided. So it is not defined. Example 8 divided by 0. That means 8 by 0. We cannot divide that one. That's why it is not meaningful. So not meaningful. It is not defined. Next, if L, M and N are non-zero integers, then L divided by M divided by N not equal to L divided by M divided by N. Observe here. First two it is given bracket. Here last two it is given bracket, children. Once again I am telling you that L divided by N, first two it is given bracket, divided by N not equal to L divided by M divided by N, last two it is given bracket. You can take that example and can verify also. If L, M and N are the integers, then L greater than M and N is positive. If L greater than M and N is positive, then L divided by N is greater than M divided by N. Example here taken. If 15, 6 and 3, 15 is greater than, if 15, 6 and 3 the integers taken, then 15 greater than 6 and 3 is positive, then 15 divided by 3 is always greater than the 6 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3, 5, greater than 3 2 is 6, greater than 2. Next, L greater than M and N is negative, then L divided by N. L divided by N is less than M divided by N. Once again, L greater than M. Previous one I was telling that N is positive, but here N is negative. If it will be N will be negative, then L divided by N is less than M divided by N. Example 18, 9 and minus 3. In between, 18 is greater than 9 and N is negative. That means minus 3, it is negative. Then 18 by 3 is less than 9 divided by minus 3. So 18 divided by minus 3, it is here taken 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18, minus 3 it is 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. That is minus 6 and minus 3. Which one is greater? Minus 3 is greater. So written that minus 6 less than minus 3. Any integer is negative means it is always less than 0. That means minus 5 less than 0, minus 23 less than 0. Any integer positive means it is greater than 0. That means 5 greater than 0 and also 12 is greater than 0. 5 and 12 both are positive. Positive means it is greater than 0 and negative means it is less than 0. Example 5 b2i, divide minus 132 by 11. So here answer it is minus 132 by 11. 11 1 is 11, 11 1 is 11 here. 2 2, 11 2 is 22, minus 12. Next example 6, evaluate 162 divided by minus 27. Written here, it is plus minus minus, it is coming, then 27 1 is 27, 27 6 is 162, that is minus 6. Next find the quotient of 3159 divided by minus 13. So it is plus minus minus, then 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, then 5 5, 55, 13 4 is 52, then 3 9, 39, 13 3 the 39. So answer is coming that minus 243. Next come to then using DMAS evaluate 18 minus 6 divided by 3 into 4. So division, it is 18 minus 6 divided by 3 into 4. First in this case we will be doing that, there it is multiplication is there, division is there, and subtraction is there. So DMAS, the first division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So division means 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. As it is, you write down 18 minus 6 divided by 3, 2 into 4. Now 18 minus 2 into 4, which one will be doing? Multiplication now. First division, then multiplication. Then 18 minus 8, 2 4 is 8. Then 18 minus 8 equal to 10. Now example 10, you come evaluate 5 plus minus 48 divided by minus 16 plus minus 2 into 6. So here what are the things? Here it is now division is there, multiplication is there. What is to be done? 5 plus minus 48 minus 16 minus plus 16 4 ja 16 3 ja 48. So 5 plus minus plus 3, then here plus minus 2 into 6, you go on writing as it is. Now 5 plus 3 plus then minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Next step, 5 plus 3 plus into minus 12. Now 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 8 minus 12 equal to minus 4. Children, you open that your exercise 1B, question number 1, bit 8. Minus 910 divided by 26. It is plus minus, it is minus plus minus, opposite sign. Then we are cutting, reducing, so minus 35 we are getting. Now question number 2, evaluate 272 divided by minus 17, minus plus minus, 17 1 ja 17 and 17 6 ja 102. 10 is coming, 102, yes, minus 16. Then question number 3, bit 4, minus 572 divided by minus 22. Minus minus, same sign is there, it will be plus, then reducing, then we are getting the 26. Question number 6, bit 12, minus 20 plus minus 20 into minus 1 plus 14 divided by 7. First division will be doing minus 20 into minus 1, 14 divided by 7, it is 2, 7 2 ja 14. Then minus into minus plus, then 21 ja 20, 20 plus 2 equal to 22, children. So children, today's class is this much. For you children, homework exercise 1B you will be doing, and if you are finding any doubt, I can clear your doubt after reopening the school. Thank you children. See you again in the next class.